That's Mike Gork, our other neighbor, and the dog. Good people. He's an electrician. The person cutting the tree, TJ. And I also thought that tree was 2 houses over. Just an illusion. And this is what I see of your house. Let me press pause here. Okay, so the pool has a leak. Just ordered the liner. Here's the backyard from my deck. Looking good. There's what we call the tiki hut. And the garden we put there this year for the first time. And so far I have tomatoes, zucchini, dill. I have to go get cucumbers. And here is our other neighbor, Mike Gork, and his mom, Mary Gork. And my deck needs some work. Have a lot of solar things out here. It looks cute at night. There's Ricky Bobby. Ricky! Look at you, good boy. Hi, honey bunny. Hi. Okay, so this is where I hang out. I don't use the fire pit there too much because it makes ashes go all over. There's that grill you gave me. The other grill. And that's that. And there's my kitchen in there. That's for another time. Okay. So, this tree's going down. I don't know. They must be talking about their plan. Let me press pause again. Should be going down any second because he's been sawing, and I think he makes it look easy and it is not. I'm eating a ham sandwich. It's good. It's on a pretzel roll. Seems like there should be a rainbow there, doesn't it? Huh. I see the moon. It's May, I believe, 21st, 2021. Ooh, I see it moving. Going on 3.5 minutes of the video, but I kept pressing pause. That tree's going down. I see it wobbling. So how does Moses make his coffee? Answer, he brews it. Haha. I wonder if you're in there watching this. Haha. I'll press pause. I hear it cracking. There it goes, Rita. Whoa, baby. Ah, it's gonna look so nice there. If you were in that one window waving to me, I could see you. Haha. Aw, I see their dog, Tig. The dog's name is Tig. All right, I'm pressing pause one more time. Let them get situated.